to Steve Meyerowitz. I got it right.
Okay.
Because he's from TriBest, and one of the things, and he's an author and he's a chef, and he has given us one of his great books, plus a way to grow sprouts at home. One of the greatest trends in restaurants right now, and you go anywhere, every entree you get, there's a pile of sprouts on top of it, or a sandwich is loaded with sprouts, or sandwiches has sprouts, or salads have sprouts, because they're so good for you. They're
good,
so good for you.
They're nutritious, they're fresh, and you know, we all love to go out to our gardens, bring in those fresh vegetables directly to the dinner plate. It's the best food in the world.
Now, they call you the Sprout Man.
Yes.
And even your tie is sprouted up here.
Yeah.
But what we're gonna offer here today is the TriBest Freshlife Automatic Sprouter. This is a way you can grow truly great sprouts without all the problems that sprouts tend to have in supermarkets. This is the way to get them really fresh and clean, and do it automatically. You never have to hover, do you?
That's right, that's right. And you can do this any month of the year. There are no seasons to this. You can do it if you live in Alaska. You can do it if there's 10 inches of snow outside your door.
What do I get for my $69.98?
Well, you get, this is the entire unit right here.
Okay, let's go take a look. So you get the unit, which has a bottom part and a top part.
The bottom part is where the water goes, and the top part is where the sprouts go.
The seeds.
The seeds go in there and they grow.
This is a little automatic sprinkler. And then you get the lid.
And you get the lid, and you get a couple of bags of seed.
No,
these go with it.
This will grow what kind of sprout?
Oh, this is our garden mix. It's actually got broccoli and radish in it. And
these are our mung beans.
Those are mung, the traditional stir-fry, Chinese stir-fry.
Right.
And you also get my cookbook, and you get a great instruction booklet. This instruction booklet answers every question you could have. It has pictures, it's in color, questions and answers, charts and diagrams. So you will never be alone when you buy this product.
Show me some of the results that you've got here.
Well, this is 6 days of radish.
This is only 6 days. Take a look at that, folks. Look how many sprouts he's got in there for 6 days worth of growth.
Yep. And
these are really tasty.
Oh yeah, they are packed with power, flavor, and nutritionally. Look at this. See, this is a radish plant, and this is the radish that we buy in the store. So this is a 2-month-old radish, and this is a 6-day-old radish. And this has 39 times more vitamin A in it than this. That's how concentrated and super nutritious these baby plants are.
That's why everybody, the organic eaters and the vegetarians have always praised sprouts. Now, how does it work?
Well, this is the seeds in here. This is the very beginning here, and I'm going to add some seeds to the bottom over here like that.
Okay, they look like little dehydrator trays,
yep.
But they just hold the seeds.
That's right, and I'm going to cover it like this, and then I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to plug it in, and it starts to sprinkle.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, and then I take a cover in your house.
Now, does it continually do that, or just
on and
periodically?
Off. Several times an hour, it'll go on and off.
Now, do sprouts need a lot of water like that? Is that why you do it that way?
Well, they need water at least once an hour, or in the old days we used to do it twice a day because no one's going to work harder than that. But they grow faster with more water.
And you know what's neat? If you look in here, I'm going to hold this up.
Oops.
Oops, sorry.
Okay.
I'm going to hold this up for just a minute. You will see there's no dirt, there's no chemicals, there's nothing but the roots. It's almost hydroponic.
It is like a hydroponic, but instead of being a hydroponic unit that's like a monster in your kitchen for several $100s, this is only about 11 inches in diameter, takes up very little space.
And it's only $69.98, plus you get a great cookbook, the Kitchen Garden Cookbook, that tells you all the different things you can do with sprouts. It's a great value at $69.98. This is a bunch of, this is what comes out.
Those are sunflowers, baby sunflowers, which are growing next to it. Those are lentil sprouts in the middle, and that's some of my tofu tahini dressing. So that's your standard sprout salad.
And this is nice here, a little of the
sushi
with some sprouts.
With some onion sprouts in the middle there. Taste a little bit of onion sprouts, Bob.
Yeah, they're wonderful.
It's so oniony. And they're like chives, and this is buckwheat sprouts and mung sprouts over here. And this is broccoli.
Where can I get more seeds, Steve?
Well, the natural food stores have these seeds, and also the book has all the sources in the country for the seeds, and the instruction booklet as well.
Right, very easy to do. And when you have these sitting on the on the counter? You could just leave them on the counter and never have to sweat them, right?
Yes, normal daylight is all you need to run these to grow these sprouts. And this, that's 7-day-old baby sunflowers. Just like the 6 foot tall sunflower in the backyard garden, this is a 6-inch tall sunflower.
You know, in the middle of the summer, in the middle of the winter, you can't get fresh lettuces and things like this. This is so much better in the salads and in wraps. I like to make turkey wraps with tortillas or
yes.
Or
yeah, I've got one of those down there. Or, well, actually, no, I've got like a submarine sandwich down there, ham and cheese. So you really, wherever you put lettuce is where you use these microgreens, I call them, because bean sprouts are traditionally smaller. They look like this, but these are real greens that that come from our like a baby vegetable.
And this whole thing is automatic. How do we harvest these?
Well, you just pick them up like this.
Pull them.
Yeah, just pick them up like this, and then you would put them in your dishes.
How long do they keep in the fridge after?
Oh, they keep a long time because you know their roots are still on them. This is the only form of agriculture that actually you eat the whole plant, the roots too. Although a lot of people cut them off to make it a cleaner, but they last a long time because they're alive.
I really like the idea of this. You're not adding any more water than you put in there the first part. It automatically circulates the water for you. It automatically waters them. You just have to put the sprouts in there, turn it on, and 6 days later take them out and eat them.
And it's fun to have those fresh vegetables. It's easy, it's delicious, and you can get the kids involved because the kids love the finger food aspect. You know, I don't know about you, but my kids never use a fork.
Yeah. Well, this is really, it's very healthy too. And these, you say they're more power packed. At this point, they have more punch nutritionally?
That's right, just like that radish, 39 times more vitamin A than the regular radish. And in fact, sprouts are also recommended as part of our 5-a-day program. You know, we have a national program where we recommend let's eat 5 portions of fruits and vegetables every day. And sprouts are included in that recommendation.
Well, I'll tell you, this is the easiest way I've ever seen it done. And inside the book, in the back, by the way, there's areas or information, thank you, where you can order any kind of sprout. You can get the broccoli sprouts or the mung beans, and you can do the onion sprouts, which are really tart. The sunflowers are real woody, nutty flavor.
That's kind of like a nutty flavor to it. And there's this is a buckwheat over there, and that's the sunflower. And there's cabbage and garlic and onion, chives, snow peas.
Plus, we're going to give you a great cookbook. A lot of recipes on the inside here for everything from salads to breads that you can make with these. Thank you so much, Steve. It was great to have you here.
Okay, great. Thanks.